Doctors who perform periodontal plastic surgery depend on precise instrumentation for excellent results. But we thought that the industry could do better. Knowing this, we spent an entire year creating a world-class set of microsurgical instruments. With tremendous input from Dr. Diego Velasquez, Dr. John Russo, and Dr. Irene Moran-Tarazi, we created the Salvin non-glare featherweight microsurgery kit.
Hi, I'm Diego Velasquez. It has been a long time since I've been looking for microsurgical instruments that are light, anti-reflective, and extremely well crafted. Now we have such a set of instruments available. Thank you, Salvin.
These specialized instruments are featherweight to help prevent hand fatigue and reduce tremors when using loupes or microscopes. The instruments have a non-glare diamond-like carbon coating which protects the instruments from corrosion while preserving sharp edges where needed. The smooth tips of the needle holders help you easily grasp delicate 6-0 to 10-0 sutures. The light, non-glare tissue forceps gently grasp soft tissue and help you tie delicate microsutures. The long, razor-sharp Perio scissors precisely trim soft tissue during perioplastic surgery. The micro-periosteal elevators help create micro-tissue flaps or tunnels where the details count.
Hi, I'm Dr. John Russo, a periodontist in Sarasota, Florida. Salvin's new featherweight non-glare microsurgical kit is exactly what I use for periodontal microsurgery. Whether you use loupes or a microscope, these balanced, high-quality instruments are best in class. I highly recommend them.
Interested in learning more? Call us and we'll have one of our product experts contact you. We're here to make your lives easier and improve your surgical outcomes. We'll take great care of you.